Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, I'm Jennifer. So today we're gonna do an unboxing video, guys, about the ring light that I bought on Amazon, and I almost wasted for like 2 to 3 weeks just for half the package. So I'm so excited to open that with you guys. And the brand of this ring light is Neewer, and I think I bought that for like 90 euros, something like that. Yeah, it's 90 euros. So let's do that. Here the box. So I'm going to just cut or see what's inside. So here we go. I hope it's going to cut my package. Oh, maybe it's. So let's open it. So we have this one. I think it's the tripod. Yeah, because it's very long, so I think it's a tripod. Here, I think is the wire, the cable are inside too. So now let's take the ring light, the what you are waiting for. So here we are. So here's the ring light, like it's inside the bag. So let's see what's inside the bag. Let's see. So here's the light. So let's go. Okay, so here's how it's look like. It's very, I think it's enough big, like for doing like makeup videos, lives, I don't know, broadcast, something like that. So it's enough big. As you can see, it's enough big, and you see that you can adjust here, even that here. You have the phone, you can put the phone holder here actually. Yeah, so it's enough big and I can give enough much light. So I'm kinda pretty happy of. Okay, here's the tripod, so let's open that. So let's open that. Okay. Where you can readjust the height of the ring light. Remove the cap before you put the ring light on the tripod. That here, let's first set that. And then more. Go. We'll just readjust here so we can, so we can fix the ring light on the top. So here we go. Adjust. So before I saw some video, of course, before that, you have to like unlock that before. I mean, this way. Sorry. So you need to before like should be out. I think it should be like that. So when this position is the good position to put on the top of the tripod. Here we go. So it's now. Okay, so now it's on the top now. So let's lock it. So as you see, you have a register here and here. So this one is for, you can put like forward or backward. Like if you do some unboxing about something, like you can put forward and you can put the phone holder here, and the light will be the unboxing stuff. So yeah, big box in the package. So let's open that. It's inside. Okay. It's open. So here, what is inside? So here's what is inside. So first you have the cable. You have the phone holder. So first let's connect that behind the light. You need to connect like as a laptop, so you need to put this other side, yeah, like that. So now I came to switch on the ring light. So now let's press the power switch button here. So now you see 0. So now we need, so this is the switch button light. So here when you click here, this is the color temperature as you see here. When I press here, this is the level of the light. So like for example, let's click plus. So now you see when I pressed plus, so this is the first level. Like here there is like 1 to 10 level here actually. So when I press like there's 10 level actually, so I will go to 5. So here, so I come back to 1. So let's press here the mode switch here. Actually this one. So when you press here, you see like now it's 56. Like you can. So when you pressing the minus button, it's coming more yellowish. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but this has become more yellowish than before. Like when you press more and more and more and more, that's become yellowish. But when you click on the plus, it's become more whiter. So the more you go up, more it's become whiter. So now as you see it's off, so let's press on for see what's going to happen. So on, so this is the first level, and like so this side is for change the level, and this side is for change the color temperature. So like you want more the more yellowish or more whiter. So let's put the light at level 5. So this is very bright actually. This is more whiter. There's only like temperatures level is only like 56. So let's press minus for C. So this is coming more yellowish. So this is the normal level of light, of brightness, and I put on white. So this is a normal one. So let's off that. So it's working even with that, even like this is a touch screen actually. Like so let's see now how it's working like with the ring light. Let's put the camera on. Let's see how the light is working. Like we can see the difference on my face. So now I'm filming with the light of the day. Let's film with the light of the ring light so we can see the difference. So guys, so this is how it looked without the ring light. So here in the daylight, so let's see how it looked like with the ring light. So let's press on. So here it's the level 1, so let's go to level 4. So this is level 4. It is very white. So do you want more yellowish? You need to press the minus. So this is, let's put the color temperature at 45. So this is 45 and it's more yellowish. I don't know if you see it on my face, the color changing, but maybe not, maybe yes. But now the ring light color is yellowish. It's not white anymore. So let's go back. So yeah, now it's whiter and the level is 4. So it's pretty good. You can use this ring light because it's more professional when you do videos. Like for example, you can use that for makeup video, broadcasting, doing live streams, any kind of videos. You can use that, and you don't have to struggle anymore to do videos any of the time at the daily. The lighting is extremely important for a video. So I hope that you liked my videos, and if you want more videos like that, like unboxing videos, like reviewing stuff like that, you can tell me on the comment box. I will put the link of this ring light on the description box. Don't forget to like, comment and share my video. If you want to be alerted for my next video, don't forget to subscribe. The button is just here, and see you guys on the next video. Bye.